Hi, my name is Victoria Duran. I'm a reading teacher at an elementary school. Today I'll be demonstrating how to do a phonological awareness strategy during small group instruction called identifying and generating rhyming words. It is very important for children to be able to identify words that rhyme, but also very important to be able to generate rhyming words of the same sound. So during this part of my lesson, I always do I do, we do, you do. So during the I do, I demonstrate how to identify and generate rhyming words. Then we create some as a group, identify and generate rhyming words. And then I give students the chance to do some on their own. So this will be the lesson as I do. First, I do. The words fox and box are rhyming words. Fox and box rhyme because they have the same ending sound, ox. Ox and ox. Now I'm going to think of some other words that have the same ending sound as ox. Ox also rhymes because it has the same ox sound at the end. Now, let's try some together. Do these words rhyme? Bug, rug. Yes, they do rhyme. They both have the ug sound at the end. Bug, rug, rhyme. So let's think of some other words that rhyme with ug and ug. Let's try t with the ending sound. Tug, bug, rug, tug rhyme because they have the same ending sound. Let's think of another one that has the same ending sound. Let's try ug, mug, bug, tug, rug, mug all rhyme because they have the same ending sound, ug. Let's think of one more together. J with the ending sound ug. J, ug. Jug also rhymes with rug, tug, bug, mug, and jug. They all have the same ending sound, ug. Now it's your turn, the children's turn, to generate and identify and generate rhyming words themselves. So I will repeat with, do the words rhyme, and then we'll identify more words that rhyme with that same ending sound. Gap, map. Give the students a chance to think. Yes, gap and map both rhyme because they have the same app sound at the end. Can we think of any more words that have app at the end that rhyme with gap and map? And then I'll take some students' answers, and if they say something different, like maybe they say map and gap, and then they say tag, I'll say, and I'll just correct them with some feedback like, let's listen carefully to the ending sound. Map, tap, and then give them their word. Tag. Does that have the same ending sound? No. Let's think of another word that has the app sound at the end. And we'll take several words and have them generate rhyming words that rhyme with that same ending sound. I'll give them several examples. So like lock, dock. We'll ask if they rhyme, and then take some more rhyming and give corrective feedback as we go. That is an example of a phonological awareness strategy of identifying and generating rhyming words.